Welcome to Textify Analytics, a cutting edge platform built to simplify data analysis and visualization for everyone. So, what is data analytics? It is a process of examining raw data to uncover hidden patterns and trends, to turn complex numbers into meaningful insights that drive smarter decisions. Across industries, data analytics helps optimize performance, predict future outcomes, and enhance the customer experience. What is the importance of analytics? Analytics is important because it makes decision making faster, more accurate, and evidence based. Instead of relying on guesswork, you can identify bottlenecks, discover cost saving opportunities, and unlock new areas of growth. With real time insights, business can easily adapt to market changes and customer needs. Data is powerful, but only when it is understood. Visualization tools like charts and graphs reveal patterns and outliers that raw numbers alone cannot show. They make complex data simpler, clearer, and more actionable, especially for non technical teams. That means faster decisions, better alignment, and more impact. Introducing Textify Analytics. We provide the world's largest chart database, giving you instant access to visualizations across thousands of topics. Our user friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of skill level, to analyze data and build professional visual reports in minutes. Why do analysts trust Textify? It starts with the data quality, powered by over 100 high authority sources continuously updated to ensure unmatched accuracy and reliability. Then comes effortless visualization. Instantly convert complex datasets into clear, professional visuals all with just one click. And finally, performance. Textify delivers insights with unmatched speed and precision, often outperforming tools like Google or Perplexity for data driven questions. With over 4.5 million charts and a community of 30,000 plus trusted users, Textify houses the world's largest database of charts. Our collection spans topics from economics and healthcare to education, media, and technology, making it the go to resource for visual data storytelling. So, who is Textify for? Students and researchers can streamline their analysis and presentations. Business analysts and consultants gain deep insights for strategic decisions. Entrepreneurs and managers use it to optimize performance, and media professionals craft compelling narratives backed by data. With Textify Analytics, there is no steep learning curve, just powerful insights, clear visuals, and results you can trust. Join thousands of users already transforming their data experience. Head over to our website, sign up in seconds, and start exploring.